All right, Labor Day holiday. Got on my favorite fireworks shirt. We're going to go have a cookout, have hot dogs and hamburgers. Then we're going to go to a festival, see a parade, all before nighttime comes and we can see those awesome fireworks. I can't wait. But what are we celebrating? We're celebrating laborers. What's labor? Labor is something you have to do. We call it work. These are construction workers. They build things. This man is a welder. He puts pieces of metal together. An occupation is what you have to do to earn a living. We call them jobs. This is an office worker and an assembly line laborer. She's putting together a car. This is a scientist. Find out what occupations your parents have. What do they do to earn a living so your family can have the things they need? What will you do when you grow up? Will you be an astronaut? A baker? A scientist?